So we got a train coming, and I just missed an Amtrak. So yeah, I don't know what track the Amtrak was on, but yeah. Oh, there's a train coming. SD60 on SD60. There's two trains coming right now. One down there, and one coming here. There's one right there. Alright, here we go. One of the longest SD60. The end of the train is way down there, but this is a long one. Oh, wait! There's more! You still got one coming. Still hear the train, it's so loud. I don't know why the tankers are so loud. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I want you guys to look at the tracks. Like, this is the tracks. Like, you see this one right here? I think that one's getting fixed. Yeah, but I don't know if you can see, but there is a green signal on track 1. Well, we got a track. One was on track 3. Now we got one on track 1. I mean, the Amtrak that came was nice, that she told me. But yeah. I really hope this train comes. The train is all the way down. I mean, that was a long SD60E. I'm just saying, that was a long one. But yeah, I hope we catch this train before my power runs out, because I'm only on 15%. And we still have to catch another train. So this is going to be a lot. But yeah. Alright, so I'm looking at the end of the train. It's still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. It's gone. There it is. It's gone. So now we have to wait for this one that's coming. And hopefully we get a horn show. And plus, I don't want to be waiting like 25 minutes. Or even 15 minutes. Because if I wait 15 minutes, my power's going to run out. Now I'm on 14%. So yeah. I'll place it in one of these like holder things. Oh, the train's here. Looks like a fast one. Yep. Right down there. It's here. I hope you guys comment down below. This kind of looks like ES44. Oh my god, it's light so bad. Oh, it's close. Oh, looks like an EMD. Yeah! Got a horn show. The ACC. Man, windy. Woo! Yeah. Well, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.